So this video is to help explain the difference between a major quiz and a minor quiz. So let's go ahead and talk about the major quiz first. So the major quiz is going to count for double. So major is worth twice of what a minor quiz would be worth. So for a major quiz, anyone can retake the quiz. So in order to be eligible to retake the quiz, you have to turn in quiz corrections first. So quiz corrections can be done at home or done at tutoring, but you have to turn in the quiz corrections in order to be able to retake the quiz. After turning in quiz corrections, you want to go ahead and schedule an appointment within 1 week before or after school. So you need to come to tutoring either before school from 7 to 7:30, after school from 2:20 to 3 o'clock, or at the Selma Burke tutoring in the evening to retake your quiz. It will be a quiz with just as many questions, with just as many points, with very similar questions, but just maybe the numbers changed here or there. Once you retake your quiz, whatever grade you got on the first quiz and your new grade on the second quiz will be averaged together for both quizzes. So let's go ahead and move on to minor quizzes. Minor quizzes, again, are only worth half of what major quizzes are worth. Major quizzes are worth double. So minor quizzes, there's two scenarios. You're either going to get above a 70% or below a 70%. So if you get above a 70%, you cannot do quiz corrections or retake because you're awesome. You got a C or better, so that's great. No quiz corrections or retake necessary. If you got a below a 70, so if you got a D or an F, you can do quiz corrections for half points back, but the maximum score that you can receive is a 70. In order for you to do quiz corrections and get the quiz corrections sheet, you need to come to tutoring before or after school within 1 week of quiz to do the corrections. Again, that would be before school from 7 to 7:30, after school from 2:20 to 3 o'clock, or at the Selma Burke tutoring in the evening. If you have any other questions about the major or minor quizzes, feel free to let one of your teachers know. Last thing we want to mention in the videos is that there are no retakes or test corrections. Tests, you need to make sure you study hard.